We have a new product here in AIA. It's called Platinum Secure. And it's a very flexible product. Napakadami niyang needs na pwedeng ma-address. And in this video, we will have a product review of this newest product namin, Platinum Secure. So let's get into it. So ang classification niya, it's an endowment plan. It means it's a traditional plan. It's not a VUL. It gives guaranteed payouts. It gives you guaranteed 200% life insurance coverage as long as you keep on paying, hindi naglalapse yung policy mo. And then it has a guaranteed payment period. Merong 1 year to pay, may 5 years, may 10 years, may 20 years. Guaranteed yan, hindi na yan. Sisingilin ka pa ulit in the future, just like mga VULs, hindi guaranteed yung payment period. So, of course, it has guaranteed cash benefits. So, dun siya mainly naka-address. No, it gives you periodic payouts every 2 years hanggang age 100. Mag-i-start siya at the end of year 8. Tapos may milestone benefit siya at age 80 and 90. So ina-address nito yung concern na what if tumanda na ako, tapos during that time, lumaki yung gastos ko, may kailangan ko ng pera for hospitalization, medication, or just, augment my retirement. So ito, magbibigay ito ng milestone benefit at earlier age. Hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng age 100. So yun yung enhancement niya from A+ signature or some of the other endowment products that we have. So tignan natin kagad kung magkano yan sa age 25. So sa 1 million na face amount, ang life insurance mo 200% nun. So 2 million yung coverage. So ang premium niya 122,810 for a male age 25, 20 years to pay. Ang payout nito 10% ng 1 million. So 100,000 every 2 years hanggang age 100. Magsisimula siya again 8 years from now pagkakuha mo. So ito yung mga ilan niyang benefits. Again, life insurance benefit 200% ng face amount, or in this case 2 million kung 1 million yung face amount mo. Again, guaranteed cash payout 10% ng face amount. So kung 1 million ang face amount, pinakikita rito 100,000 yung guaranteed cash payout. Every 2 years, magisimula siya end of the 8th policy year. May non-guaranteed dividends din siya na naiipon. If you leave it to accumulate interest, maiipon siya. Eventually, malaki siya. Makakadagdag yan na pwede mong ma-withdraw, let's say, during your retirement years. May milestone bonus siya. Yun yung kakaiba. 25% ng face amount. So kung ang face amount is 1,250,000, makukuha mo yun sa age 80. Tapos meron ulit at age 90. And then, may maturity benefit. 150% ng face amount kasi nabawas na yung dalawang 25%. Kaya 1.5 million na lang. No, kasi yung 2 million, 200% ng face amount, yun ng life insurance. Doon binabawas yung nakuha mo during the milestone bonus. Tapos, ayan, papakita natin. So, sa 20 years to pay, if you can see in this table, yung 100,000 na payout, which is 10% ng face amount, magsisimula end of year 8. And then every 2 years thereafter, tuloy-tuloy hanggang age 100. Makikita mo rin sa column C. No? So, kasi column D yung guaranteed cash payout. Sa column C, at age 80, may makukuhang 250,000. 25% siya ng face amount. And then, ganoon din ulit sa age 90. Tapos pagdating ng age 100, kung buhay pa tayo nun, makukuha mo yung 150% ng face amount. In this case, 1.5 million. Diba? Ganon din po. No? Yun din yung life insurance natin. Nababawasan lang siya ng milestone payout just in case age 80 or age 90, umabot tayo doon. And then you can see at column E, yan yung accumulated dividends, although non-guaranteed, at this current dividend rate of 4.2% per annum, yung accumulation rate niya. Tapos yung dividends, depende. Meron malaki, meron maliit siguro every year. So, kung i-accumulate mo siya, hindi mo siya wiwithdrawin agad-agad, pwede siyang lumaki. So, ayan yung table, makikita natin dyan. Who can avail of this? Policy owner, pwedeng age 18 hanggang age 99. Pwede pong kumuha. Ikaw yung owner ng plan. Yung payouts, ikaw yung makakatanggap. Pwedeng iba yung gawin mong insured. Kunyari, anak mo, apo mo, kapatid mo, parents mo, sila yung insured. But usually, yung mas bata sa'yo para mas mahaba yung payout. Ganun yung diskarte. So, ginagamit nitong pang pamana ng mga lolo sa apo nila or ng mga parents sa anak nila. Pwedeng ganun. Diba? Or gusto mong i-gift sa spouse mo. Pwedeng ganun. Diba? So, yung proposed insured, iba-iba yung age. Merong single pay, one-time pay lang hanggang age 7. Tapos ang payout nito magsisimula end of 5th year, hindi end of 8th year. Meron ding 5 years to pay lang, no, 0 to 70 years old naman ang pwedeng kumuha nito. Ang payout din nito magsisimula, ito na, end of year 8 na siya. 'Di ba? So now, may 10 years to pay din, 0 to age 65. And then, 20 years to pay, 0 to age 55. So for this product, nakita ko na even the older generation, like 55 onwards, 60, 65, it makes sense na kumuha kasi nga may milestone benefit at age 80 na mai-enjoy mo kagad siya. 25% ng face amount. So kada 1 million, 250,000 na lump sum yun. Bukod pa yung maturity benefit at age 100 in case umabot tayo dun. If hindi naman, again, it becomes life insurance yung natitirang face amount natin or yung double the face amount. Alright? So tignan natin kung magkano yung presyo per age. So sa age 55 na 20 years to pay male, 'di ba? Ang pinakamababa sa 250,000 na face amount, 500,000 life insurance, yung payout mo every 2 years, 250,000 times 10%, 25,000. Nagsisimula siya sa 35,960 lang na premium, 20 years to pay. Doon sa 10 years to pay, kung age 65, kinuha natin yung mga sagad na age. So, 10 years to pay lang, 250,000 face amount. So, ibig sabihin yung payout mo, 25,000 every 2 years. Tapos may life insurance ka na 500,000, 63,385. Yung premium mo, 10 years to pay lang to. 'Di ba? So, makikita natin dyan, papakita ko. No? So, 10 years to pay, naguhulog ka. Ika-8 year, end of 8 years, o end of the year 8, may 25,000 ka na natatanggap, hindi ka pa tapos magbayad. Tapos, malapit-lapit, kung natapos ka ng age 75, age 80, may matatanggap ka kagad 25% ng face amount, which is, in this case, 62,500. Tapos, ganoon din at age 90. Ayan, now, yung Platinum Secure na 5 years to pay naman, no? Kung 5 years to pay, pwede hanggang age 70. So, kung age 70 ka kumuha, ayan siya. Ang minimum na face amount ito medyo mataas ng konti, 350,000 na. Diba? So 700,000 yung life insurance, which is double your face amount. And then ang payout mo every 2 years magsisimula sa 10% ng 350,000. So 35,000 siya. Magsisimula siya sa at the end of year 8. Alright? So 171,648 na yung premium nito. 'Di ba? So pwedeng ipapamana mo naman yung, let's say, death benefit nito just in case when it happens, no? And then, meron din tayong single premium. Kunyari, age 75, may gusto niya magpamana, pero habang malakas pa siya, gusto niyang ma-enjoy din, meron siyang payout, 'di ba? So 2.483 million 210. Ang life insurance benefit naman kasi is hindi lang siya basta 200,000 ang face amount. It could be the total premiums paid less the payouts received, whichever is higher. So, in this case, kung ipapamana mo na naman yung 2.4 million mo, pwedeng ilagay mo muna rito. 'Di ba? And then guaranteed mata-transfer 'yan doon sa beneficiary mo just in case you want it, no? Ganun din sa ibang mga payment period. But this product is more than just the payouts. Hindi lang yung payout ang nakikita kong kagandahan nitong product na to. It's, for me, when I was reviewing the plan, it's a comprehensive insurance plan na meron din siyang smart savings program. So, I made this table para mas ma-appreciate natin yung benefits ng Platinum Secure. So, nilagay ko dito, maximize the power of protection and savings. Sa kaliwang banda, tignan natin, it's a comprehensive insurance protection, especially if you're younger. You would want to be insured kasi malabang breadwinner ka, yung mga anak mo bata pa, probably you need to really be insured. So it gives you 200% of the face amount as life insurance, less maturity benefits received at age 80 and 90 kung umabot dun sa part na yon, or total premiums paid less cash payouts received yung every 2 years, whichever is higher. So wala kang lugi dito, in short, 'di ba? So minimum is babalik yung pera mo. Walang lugi sa part na to, no? So again, if you outlive or you live longer, edi mas malaki yung matatanggap mo talaga at may enjoy na pera rito, 'di ba? Now, meron siyang mga optional riders na pwedeng ilagay. For example, yung total and permanent disability coverage. Pwede ka makakuha niyan in case of total and permanent disability. Meron ding pwedeng ilagay na personal accident insurance coverage in case of accidental death. May additional na benefit makukuha yung family. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng 10 critical illness rider. So in case of a diagnosis of a major critical illness, may matatanggap yung family mo na pera. Or ikaw na pera, no? Kasi patulong magpagamot mo, no? So, yan, later let's review kung ano yung mga critical illnesses covered. And then, hospital income benefit. Ito, waiting pa tayo sa approval na mai-add yan, but it's part of the design of the program. So probably if you're watching this on a later date, we can already include this. Maganda rito kasi any cause of confinement, basta na-confine, meron kang pwedeng makuha na 1,000 up to 5,000 per night, depende sa ilalagay mo na rider. Pwede kang maka-reimburse. Example, no, na dengue, 10 days sa hospital, kung 5,000 yung nilagay mo na rider, edi 5,000 times 10, 50,000 yun. Kahit may HMO ka, kahit wala kang binayaran, iba to. No, hindi to card eh. No, may cash kang makukuha, mare-reimburse sa'yo, ibibigay sa'yo as pamalit na income during the days na hindi ka nakapagtrabaho. Ganun yung purpose ng hospital income benefit. This is one of the enhancements of this product na yung iba naming mga endowment plans, wala nito. So we're waiting for this na ma-include na ng insurance commission sa product na to. And then, we will be able to really offer this. Napakaganda nito. Kaya dito ko lalong nakita na this is really a comprehensive insurance plan, not just an endowment plan na save ka ngayon, may makukuha kang pera in the future. Hindi. This will ensure you during your prime years, your working years of your life, no, if that's within your age range now. And then in the future, nakapag-save ka rin. 'Di ba? 8 years down the road, 10 years, pag nag-retire ka, age 80, age 90, may nakukuha kang mga benefits. Then, pwede mo pang ipamana yung life insurance benefits mo. So, multi-purpose siya, multifaceted yung product na to. Let's continue. Enhanced waiver of premium in case of total and permanent disability or critical illness diagnosis. So, let's say 20 years to pay yung plan mo. In 3 years or 4 years, may nangyari, na-diagnose ng critical illness, hindi mo na kailangan bayaran yung mga future premium. It will be waived. AIA will be the one to pay that for your policy para insured ka pa din. Ma-waive na yung premium mo. And then may matatanggap kang benefits in case may mga other riders ka. And then yung mga payouts mo every 2 years, may matatanggap ka pa rin. Kahit hindi ka na nagbabayad ng premium kasi nga na-waive na. Let's say na stroke, no? Totally and permanently disabled. You've been declared na ganun. So, ma-waive na yung future premiums. Alright? So you can discuss this. We can discuss this kapag kumukuha na kayo in detail. And then of course, it's also a smart savings program. Na-discuss na natin kanina, 10% of the face amount, it will be your guaranteed payout. So kung ang face amount mo, pinakamababa namin, 250,000, may 25,000 na payout. Kung ang face amount mo is 1 million, edi may 100,000 na payout ka every 2 years. Kung ang face amount mo is 10 million, may mga clients kami na gano'n, 10 million ang face amount. 1 million every 2 years may matatanggap. So depende sa budget. Alright? Depende sa willing mong i-save dito. Again, the payout will start at the end of year 8. Every 2 years up to age 100 yan or until you're alive. Bago to, may milestone benefit at age 80 and at age 90 kasi humahaba na yung lifespan ng mga Filipino, 'di ba? So tuloy-tuloy ang ini-worry natin baka wala tayong additional cash during that time. So this will give you that 25% ng face amount. So kunyari 1 million ng face amount, 250,000 yun matatanggap mo. It's also a substantial amount during that age. Especially let's say if you're already 60 plus, malapit na siya. So may enjoy mo rin siya kaagad. Lump sum maturity cash benefit at age 100 amounting to 150% of the face amount. Kasi kung umabot ka ng age 100, nag-payout ng dalawang 25% ng 80 at 90. So yung 200% na death benefit or life insurance, nabawasan siya ng 50%. Kaya 150% na lang. And then may non-guaranteed dividends that you can leave to accumulate. No? You can accumulate it for your retirement, pangdagdag during your retirement. Withdrawin mo during age 65, 70, 75, it's up to you. Ipunin mo muna. Alright? Now, tingnan natin kung magkano yung jam-pack na plan para maging comprehensive plan siya. Let's say for an age 25 male. No, so kanina, 'di ba ginawa natin siya na simple policy lang. Now, lagyan natin yung mga benefits. So meron kang 500,000 na life insurance, face amount is 250,000. Total and permanent disability, may 250,000 ka. Separate na personal accident insurance in case of accidental death, additional 250,000 yung makukuha ng beneficiaries mo. And then 250,000 in case of diagnosis of a critical illness, pantulong magpagamot. Alright? And then may enhanced waiver of premium. When you add all of this, napakamura pa rin, 35,810.49. Right? Now, so ito nga yung mga different benefits or riders na binanggit ko. So nandiyan dyan, you can read through it. 'Di ba? Nabanggit na natin yan unti-unti or bawat isa yung mga importance niyan. Now, you can see dun sa enhanced waiver of premium, no, just to reiterate lang yon, if the insured gets totally and permanently disabled or gets diagnosed with any of the covered critical illnesses, the company, which is AIA, will continue to pay for your succeeding basic premiums and rider premium. Tapos tuloy pa rin yung coverage mo and payouts mo. So yan yung mga dinidiscuss natin dito. Ito naman yung mga critical illnesses na covered. 10 na major critical illnesses yung covered. Cancer, coma, end-stage lung disease, heart attack, HIV due to blood transfusion, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, stroke, terminal illness, and vital organ transplant. So, these are the major illnesses na rin naman na usually nagiging sakit ng Pilipino. So, not bad kahit 10 lang yung covered nito compared to, let's say, yung product namin na AIA Critical Protect, 100 major illnesses yun. No? So, or the ACP Plus, di ba, more than 100 illnesses, different illnesses yung covered. Kasi siya is a critical illness product. Ito naman endowment product na pwede mong lagyan ng rider, di ba? So, multi-purpose siya talaga. Please take note lang na may 90-day elimination period. So, magiging start ka na covered ng critical illness after 90 days from the approval of the policy. Alright? So, kung 10 years to pay lang, si male age 25, ayaw niya na masyadong mahaba. Ano? So, instead of 35,000, magiging 62,929.35. So, it's less than double of your 20-year premium. So, mas maganda. Diba? Pili ka na lang kung ano yung afford mo. So, ayun. And of course, as I shown you earlier, meron din siyang accumulated dividends na matatanggap. Ayan yun. If you can see, 10 years to pay, may matatanggap ka na 25,000 or 10% ng face amount starting at the end of year 8. And then, age 80, age 90, may matatanggap ka na 25% of your face amount. Diba? So, as milestone bonus. So, again, nasa proposal po lahat yan. We can discuss further, right? Kapag nag-meeting tayo, should you be interested. And then, ang mahalaga, again, may long-term saving feature nga siya, which is the non-guaranteed dividends. No? Again, you can leave it to accumulate interest. Yun yung suggestion ko nga. No? So, if you can see dito nga sa table na to, at age 65, for example, may 392,000 ka estimated na pwedeng mangyari. Projection lang ito. Kung age 70 mo siya kinuha, possibly mga 516,000 na siya. And dun sa table na gagamitin natin mamaya, kunyari at age 85, yung column E, 1,099,734 na siya. Kung hindi iniwan mo lang siya dyan. Let's say, hindi mo siya ginamit and then gusto mo siya ipamana na lang din. So, it will be added to your death benefit, to the life insurance benefit. So, gumawa ako ng study. 10 years to pay, tsaka 20 years to pay for the same client. Tignan natin kung ano yung mas maganda. So, total premiums paid versus the benefits. So, both, no, sa 10 years to pay, 62,929.36 as mentioned, din yung premium. Tapos, sa 20 years to pay, 35,810.49. Now, pag minultiply mo yan, 62,929.36 times 10 years, 629,293.60 yung total premiums paid sa 10 years to pay. Sa 20 years to pay, dahil 35,000 siya, times 20, it's about 716,209.80. So, mas makakamura ka sa 10 years to pay kung afford mo yan. Yung face amount, same. Ito yung pinakamura natin, 250,000 na face amount. Guaranteed cash payout, pareho lang, 25,000 every 2 years starting at the end of year 8. Diba? So, 10% siya ng face amount. Now, let's say, no, let's make a scenario. Si 25-year-old male, nabuhay hanggang age 86. So, age 86 siya nagpaalam. No? So, this person lives up to age 86. So, kung 25 siya ngayon, 8 years from now, dun mag-i-start yung initial payout niya na 25,000. So, age 33 siya nun. So, every 2 years, age 33, 35, 37, 39, may payout siya. So, hanggang age 85 yun. Binilang ko mga 27 payouts yun. No? So, nagkaroon siya ng 27 payouts hanggang age 85. So, 25,000 times 27, 675,000. Yung total niyang perang na-receive. So, mas malaki na siya dun sa binayad mo na premium kung 10 years to pay ka. Tapos, medyo malapit na siya dun sa 20 years to pay. Now, not to mention, may life insurance coverage ka na 500,000, double the face amount. So, at any point in time, alright, the beneficiary will get 500,000 in case of untimely death. Alright, so ang total payouts plus life insurance itong tao na to, for example, is if this person lives up until age 86, is 675,000 plus 500,000, 1.175 million. Diba? Tapos, dun sa table, kung titignan nyo, 1,099,734 yung potentially maipon niya sa dividends at age 85 kung hindi niya to winidraw. Kung dun sa 20 years to pay, dahil mas maliit yung premium na binabayad niya at first, nasa 945,974. Not that bad. Of course, mas malaki lang yung 10 years to pay. And then, not to mention, dahil nilagay natin yung mga different riders, meron pa siyang potential benefit na total 750,000. Tigto 250,000 sa total and permanent disability, personal accident insurance, and critical illness coverage. Tigto 250K yun. And then, again, reminders, dahil ito yung special feature nitong plan na to, merong matatanggap na 62,500 or 25% ng face amount at age 80 and ulit at age 90. So ayan yung 62,500. Pareho lang siya. So ito po yung parang comparison ng 10 years to pay at 20 years to pay. It's up to you. Depende sa budget. Alright? So please take note na lalo na dun sa dividends part, hindi guaranteed yun. So this is just an illustration. It could go up or down. Depende po. Pero all the other benefits are guaranteed. So if you are interested, again, as a policy owner, age 18 to age 99 pwede. And then, age 0, kahit apo mo yan, anak mo yan, pwede po natin siyang i-insure. No? Depende sa paying period po natin. No? Doon po natin makikita kung, binigyan ko naman po kayo ng table doon. Diba? So, yan, ano lang natin. Kumbaga, let me know kung pasok sa 20 years to pay, 10 years to pay na lang ba, 5 years to pay, or single pay na lang kung hanggang age 75. So if you're interested, send me a message. For your quotation requests, PM me at my Facebook page. I will need your details. Full name and birth date, occupation, and how much face amount or magkanong payout yung gusto nyo pong matatanggap. No, yun yung mga details na kailangan ko po. Just need to go to my Facebook page. Right? Search me in Facebook. Search DJ De Maliwat or go to facebook.com/DJ De Maliwat official. So I'll wait for your message. Thank you very much for watching up until the end. If this product fits what you're looking for, let's go for Platinum Secure. It's very, very comprehensive product or multifaceted siya. It might be the one that you're looking for that could address your needs. So thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.